Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with MrDan. Today we're going to make a little tasty little snack, a little tidbit. It's called cauliflower poppers. Uh, this is a Weight Watchers friendly snack. I believe that's where Penny found it. I don't know, but it tastes pretty good. So without further ado, we're going to get to it. I got other things to do. So let's get popping. Pretty good, huh? Okay, to start off with, you can see I got my oven already preheating to 400. I've got my cooking spray there. There's my pan. Knife sharpener. Sharp knife. I already cut up the cauliflower. Okay, so here you have a half a teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of red chili, and a half a teaspoon of both pepper and salt. I mixed those together. Here we have some Old Bay hot sauce, and here I've cut these up to florets already. You can see little bite-sized pieces, right? So what I'm gonna do is try to mix everything in the bag here. We tried a bowl one time, but we'll try this here. All right, hold on. Okay, my method is I'm gonna take this here. I'm gonna just pour a little bit of each one of these inside the bag here, right? I'm going to try to coat everything like this with my dry stuff first. Just trying to make sure the salt and pepper is mixed up pretty good. Try to mix some of that in there. Huh? Okay. Then I'm going to, I want to sneeze now. Mix it up in the bag. Oh yeah, see, it's coming along just fine. We would say swimmingly. Look at that, that's coating everything just nice. I think it's easier to do this than to plop it in a bowl and try to mix everything. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the rest of our ingredients. That's it for the cumin. That's it for the chili. That's it for the salt and pepper. So we're going to shake everything around one more time. Now I think the original recipe called for spraying all this down with some Pam spray or whatever. Penny had her thoughts, so we're going to try hers. Now we're going to give this a little squirt of hot sauce. And zip that. Yep. All right. It looks like everything's pretty well covered, I'd say. Okay. Oh yeah, I think everything's covered up pretty well. You can see in the bag there, we're going to put this on the tray right quick. Okay, so what I'm going to do, these silicone cooking mats are great, but I still spray a little, that's it, just a little bit. Okay, so now what we're going to do is dump our, oh, did I have that already open? I just closed it. What kind of thing is that? Yeah. And I'll give you guys a bird's eye view of this. Now these things are supposed to be a little spicy tangy because they're called poppers, you know, like jalapeno poppers, except this is cauliflower poppers. And I think this is going to be a great little snack or a side dish or whatever you want it to be. But it is Weight Watcher friendly, and I'm not 100% sure about the keto people, what they say, but I think it should be. I think it's good for everybody, even if you're not on a diet. Okay, so you see what we're doing here? Just moving everything around. Now what's going to happen, about halfway through, I'm going to take this baby out, and we're going to try to turn these. We don't want to overcook them. We don't want to get them really mushy. The idea is to get them tender, but still have a little bite to them, you know? So, with that being said, we're just waiting on the oven. So we'll be back. Okay, my friends, the oven has just beeped, so here we go. We're going in. Timers are going to be set for 20 minutes, but we're going to take it out at 10, so I think I'll just set it for 10. Because we want to flip these, huh? 10 minutes. All right, there you go. All right. All right, we'll see you in 10. Stay hungry, my friends. This is going to be a nice munchie. Okay, the oven just beeped. So we'll turn it off. It smells good in here, I'll tell you that. Let me get a mitt before I burn my fingers, huh? Okay, I'm going to open up this here oven. See what they look like. It didn't change much color. But boy, they do smell good, huh? Hold on. See, they look good. A little warm. All right, I'm going to flip these over and then we're going to stick them back in. Okay, so anyway, I sent this out to before we put them in the oven, sent them out to my little group called the Foodies, huh? To see what they say, and so far they want to see what it looks like after it comes out. So, and as you can see, I don't know if you can see real good, but the bottom of this here, I think it's because of this cooking mat, that always makes everything nice and toasty. I mean, comes out nice. I would ask the little woman of the house to come out and help me flip this, but she's working now. She's not on vacation no more. Thank goodness for small favors. But anyway, this is going to be nice. It's going to turn out a nice little snack. I don't want to get these, like I said, we don't want to overcook them, turn them to mush, but yep. So anyway, a couple more flip over here. You, baby. Want to meet on the flip side? All right, knock it off. People are too funny. That came from the guy in the second row, third seat in. But just to let you know, it wasn't me. Okay, I flipped them all, I think. I'll just turn this one a little bit. Okay, they're going back in for the second round. And then I'm going to show you what the finished product is, okay? There we go. Into the oven. And I do like those silicone cooking mats. They are. I was telling Penny the other day, I think they do help brown stuff even more than in a regular pan. Okay, we'll be back in 10. Okay, hot out of the oven. Let me turn this off. Okay, as you can see, they did get a little golden brown. Not a whole lot. And they're not really mushy, which I like. They're tender. We'll meet you at the taste test table. I think these are going to be delicious. Okay, these little things are going to become addicting, or whatever. They are delicious. Here you go. They're tender, but a little piece of stem that's on there got a nice snap to it. I mean, I would say they have a bit of heat. That's why why they call them poppers. But it's really not that much of seasoning. Everything's like a half a teaspoon of this. And there's only 3 things: cumin powder, chili powder, salt and pepper, and then a dash of. I put a little dash of hot sauce on there, just to keep everything from falling off. You know. good excuse. But I like it. It's good. It's nice for a snack or a side dish. That was exactly 20 minutes in the oven. Now you can cook them a little longer if you want them a little softer. But I like a little bit of crunch, a little bit of al dente, whatever you want to call it. They're really good. Weight Watcher friendly. I even believe people on keto can eat this. But anyway, very good. And I think you really will enjoy it. Easy to make. It took me maybe 5 minutes just to chop up the cauliflower and then put the stuff in the bag, mix it all around. It's easy. Okay, so when you're out and about, cover up, protect yourself as well as others. Wash your hands. Get some sanitizer in the car, squirt it on your hands when you come back from the store, rub it in there, and then drive away. Give us a like, but don't talk with your mouth full unless you get some of these. You might need to take a breath or two. It's a little warm. Not really. It's not that bad. But anyway, give us a like, share with your friends, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you haven't. Well, when you subscribe, the bell will come up. But anyway, if you've already subscribed and hit the bell, don't do that again. Okay, so until next time, my friends, stay hungry and come back when you are, and we will give you another delicious recipe, whether it's a snack, side dish, or a main dish. This is MrDan. We're out.